Starting my day with It's Judy Time or It's Judy's Life. Laging feel good na vlog to. If ever you're feeling down or whatever, panoorin nyo lang yan.
But yeah, really excited for the trip. We're only going to be...
Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So, I'm vlogging again. Super haba ng pila sa Dairy Queen. I don't know kung ano meron, pero feel ko free ice cream. Anyway, I'm here at Mary Grace again. I'm gonna have brunch. Today I'm just gonna run errands and then film videos in the afternoon because I have like a lot of film for you guys. Meron ako nakita sobrang funny. Tignan nyo naman ko. So, you know si Mary Grace kasi yung mga table nila, merong mga parang notes, mga testimonials, kung ano mga favorite nila, ganyan. Pero this one, it's really funny. Look at that. Okay, my family. I have a nice family. I have a mom. My mom is nice. I have a dad. My dad is fat. And I have a brother, and my brother is something. That really made me laugh today. So, yeah. I brought my laptop. I uploaded a new video for you guys. So, this is just a very short video. I'm really sorry for that. But promise you guys, last na yan. Last na Nega Vibes yan. Yeah. May na-meet nga ako ng mga viewers. Dun sila nakaupo. Hi! Nag-picture kami kanina. Anyway, yung pila sa labas. Look at the pila sa labas. All the way hanggang dun sa kabila. Actually, pati yung isang branch ng Dairy Queen, mahaba rin yung pila. I ordered the usual, which is my super favorite. It's their tapa. Guys, kailangan nyo siya matikman. I'm sure a lot of you have already tried it, pero grabe. One of the best. I always order this. Para siyang comfort food ko talaga. And then it comes also with like a side whatever. May mango, may suka, at merong parang tomatoes and onions yata. Ayan. Ayan. Yummy. My favorite soup, guys. Heavy breakfast lang tayo ngayon. So I have the summer squash soup, which is my ultimate favorite soup dito sa Mary Grace kasi very rich, very filling talaga siya, guys. Minsan nga ito na yung kinakain ko and then okay na ako. Pero ngayon, I need heavy breakfast. So, yeah. Just look how creamy that is, guys. Usually, may nakasulat dyan na Mary Grace. Dinidrawing nila yung ano talaga. Pero, yeah. Super sarap na to, as in. I actually wanna find out kung paano ito niluluto. Papaturo kay mama. So, I am done grocery shopping. Hindi ako naka-vlog sa supermarket, but I did something new. Nag-bike ako kasi walang Uber. Actually, I kept on canceling the Uber kasi ang lalayo nila. So, what I did was, I borrowed a bike from my dad's place. Tapos nag-bike ako papunta dito. Such a different experience. I like it. Actually, I'm here to check on the apartment. And if everything goes well, I might move na next week. Yeah. And I think this is something I should do. Something I really should do. Yeah. Yan na yung magiging view natin next week, guys. Oh my gosh, I love this window. Look at that. Ganda pa ng view. Lagi may sunset, di ba? Lagi may sunset dito. Diyang side na yan. So, lagi natin makikita yan. Oh, I love it. Yay! I am preparing dinner, guys. So, I have like a pack of lettuce which I got from the supermarket last serving na to. And then, I am just heating up some chicken which I already cooked last night with some potatoes. And then, yun. Mag-egg din tayo. Ito yung binibili ko, guys. Yung salad times Caesar. 100% romaine. Pero yung binili ko kanina, ano siya? Oh my gosh, hindi ko pa nilagay sa ref. Wait lang. And then usually, to taste lang, I have salt and pepper. Super sarap. Nagbigay pala ako ng egg. So, ito yung suitcase ko na puro stuff from Korea, guys, na hindi ko pa rin nagagalaw. Pero, ibibigay ko na kay Isa yung mga pasalubong for them. So, ito yung nakuha ko from... ano yun? Itaewon ba yun? I forgot na. Pero, super mura. Wait. Gyeongbokgung. Yun. Gyeongbokgung na Etude House. Super dami. Super mura lang. Hindi mas super mura, pero mas mura siya compared sa... My gosh, tama ba yung binili ko? 12 pieces. I forgot na. Check ko na lang yung vlog ko kung magkano ko siya nakuha. Pero sobrang mas mura siya. And then, meron tayong mga binili ko sa leaders doon sa Myeongdong. I think 30,000 Korean won for like 2. Buy one, take one siya. So, black aqua for scaling, tsaka yung AC dressing. Same lang sa Pilipinas. Ayan, yung itsura. Ito yung favorite ko eh. For scaling. And then, AC dressing. Perfect for acne prone skin. Yan. Gagawin ko na yung Korean haul soon. Ito rin yung pearl mask from Etude House. Yeah, nung ko rin binili to. Tapos, ito naman sa ano to, Daiso ko to binili. Daiso Myeongdong. Mura siya per piece ha. Parang magkano lang, something. And super dami pa. I'm not sure if na-vlog ko na to before, pero ito yung binigay ng Kipling sa amin na bag. Parang na-vlog ko na, pero hindi ko maalala talaga. Pero, yun yung itsura niya. So cute. Gold yung itsura, shoulder bag. And as usual, meron tayong unggoy. Tapos lahat ng unggoy nila, iba-iba yung mga pangalan. Anong pangalan nito? Abe. I thankfully got a bunch of stuff done today, guys. And nalalabit na lang yung mga araw na mag-vlog tayo sa apartment na to. I'm actually really happy that I'll be moving out soon. Just because I think it's the right thing to do. So, lipat na tayo. Di ba maganda naman yung apartment? I haven't really shown you guys yung CR. Actually, napakita ko na ba? Kasi kanina walang ilaw. Pero, sobrang I love that place. I love it. Kaya ako siya pinuntahan kanina kasi actually I was thinking twice. I was thinking twice if I should move or not. Noong una talaga sabi ko wag na. I'll just stay here and all of that, blah blah blah. Pero, ewan ko, may nag-push sa akin na parang tignan mo ulit. Baka anong, di ba usually kapag you wanna make decisions, you have to like, if you wanna get a new place, kailangan mong ma-experience. Kasi pag nandun ka na, mafe-feel mo talaga if it's for you or if it's not for you. Mafe-feel mo talaga yun. And when I went back there, na-feel ko talaga na parang, girl, lipat ka na girl. As in, yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. And now I have like a few days lang to prepare and to box everything up in here. Lahat talaga, Kalerks. Pero, kaya natin yan. Kaya natin yan. So, I just wanna say thank you so much to everyone who left comments on the vlog that I posted. I know it's a super walang kwentang vlog, but I just want to say thank you. You guys have no idea what I am going through right now. I just don't want to share, you know, pero yeah, just really thank you. Thank you. Lahat ng comments yung binabasa ko, and I feel the love, and I feel really happy. Not happy, but I feel very blessed to have you guys kasi, you know, the last thing I need is to, you know, yun lang naman. Yeah. So, tomorrow we have events. We have a lot of errands to do. Yeah, thank God talaga na naka-work na ako ngayon. Yep. So, that's it, guys. That's the vlog for today. Ano pa ba? Oh, wait. Bago ko i-end yung vlog, I have to announce something. October 14 and 16. Magbi-makeup sale ako, guys. As in, mga makeup na hindi ko na ginagamit. Actually, even yung mga brand new and even yung mga pre-love na ibibenta ko lahat. Again, super lowest prices na. Everything must go. Clothes, shoes. I'll post photos kung ano yung mga ibibenta ko. Okay? 14 and 16. Wala ako sa 15, okay? So, 14 and 16, World Trade Center, Trendsetters Bazaar. Doon ako, okay? Whole day, 14 and 16. And then on the 15th naman, kaya wala ako sa Trendsetters Bazaar ng 15, is because I'll be having a meet and greet at Glorieta 3. Tama ba? Yeah, Glorieta 3, beside Paper Moon Cafe at the YouTube Lounge. So that's gonna be like from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. So just drop by, guys. Okay? 14, 16, and then 15. Lahat ng information lagi ko na sa information box. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you guys and hugging you guys kasi I need a lot of hugs right now. So, thank you so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Pupunta, pero may meeting daw siya. So, si Hailey ang pupunta. Yay! This is my outfit for today. This is a floral dress na super like ko. I love it. And then, I'm wearing my white sneakers. So, yun lang naman ang aking suot. Oh, tatlo. So, lahat kami nasa holding room para, parang pressing ko. And I'm sitting with Tasha. So, So, Tasha, i-interviewin kita. Wait. Anyway, super fun lang ito. Lahat naman ng information nasa website. So, just click on that link in the information box. So, Tasha, bakit bongga to, girl? O, yun ang mga question ko sa'yo. Bakit bongga?
Kasi this is the only place where you can dine in the dark. It's totally pitch black. Your servers namin are usually impaired. And not only that, we also serve very good.
Talaga? As in, really good? Malalaman natin later. And sabi niyo na may enhance to yung sense of, ibang senses mo kasi nga wala kang mata. O girl, di ba? Maano ba kami? Magba-blindfold or wala lang ilaw? Okay, walang ilaw. Okay. So excited. Still waiting for Hailey. Wala pa rin siya. Kami lang ang vlogger. But super fun. Anyway. And then, I'm not gonna be able to vlog sa loob since Black 9, all of that, diba? Tsaka lahat ng bags namin, iiwan sa locker. Tama ba? May mga lockers, guys. So, parang ano to, bawal ka. Mag-shut off ka sa mga social media. So, after na, tsaka kayo mag-post and all of that. So, yeah. I'll give you guys an update later after that.
Because we actually have
Menu nila, guys. Pero meron silang actual na ano, writing method daw to Braille. Ang tawag na ng Braille.